Welcome to our journey into traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. This ancient healing system has been practiced for thousands of years and is rooted in the philosophy of balance and harmony. TCM is not just about treating illness but about understanding the body, mind, and environment as an interconnected whole. In this video, we'll explore the foundational concepts of Qi, Yin, and Yang, and how they influence health and well-being. Let's begin by discovering what makes TCM unique and why its principles are still relevant today. Qi, often translated as vital energy or life force, is a central concept in TCM. It is believed to flow throughout the body, animating every cell and organ. When Qi is abundant and flows smoothly, we experience health and vitality. But when Qi is blocked or deficient, illness can arise. Understanding Qi helps us appreciate how TCM views the body as a dynamic system, constantly in motion and seeking balance. In the following scenes, we'll see how Qi interacts with other vital forces to maintain our well-being. Yin and Yang are two complementary forces that exist in everything. In TCM, they represent opposite yet interdependent qualities, such as night and day, cold and heat, or rest and activity. Health is seen as a dynamic balance between yin and yang. When these forces are in harmony, the body functions optimally. However, if one dominates or becomes deficient, imbalance and disease may occur. This philosophy encourages us to seek balance in all aspects of life, from diet to emotion. Qi is not just a mystical concept, it's something we can nurture every day. Through practices like deep breathing, gentle movement, and mindful eating, we can support the healthy flow of Qi. TCM practitioners often recommend Tai Chi, Qigong, and Acupuncture to enhance Qi circulation. By paying attention to our energy levels and making small adjustments, we can improve our overall vitality and resilience. Let's explore some practical ways to cultivate Qi in our daily routine. It is associated with qualities like coolness, rest, nourishment, and substance. It represents the body's fluids, tissues, and the restorative aspects of health. When yin is sufficient, we feel calm, hydrated, and well-rested. However, modern lifestyles can deplete yin, leading to symptoms like dryness, insomnia, or irritability. TCM offers dietary and lifestyle recommendations to replenish yin, such as eating cooling foods, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Yang, in contrast, is linked to warmth, activity, and transformation. It fuels the body's metabolic processes and provides the energy needed for movement and action. When Yang is strong, we feel energetic, warm, and motivated. But excessive work, lack of rest, or cold environments can weaken Yang, resulting in fatigue or chills. TCM suggests ways to support Yang, such as staying warm, engaging in regular activity, and consuming warming foods and herbs. Qi, Yin, and Yang are not isolated forces. They interact constantly to maintain balance. Qi moves and transforms Yin and Yang, while Yin and Yang provide the foundation for Qi's movement. When one element is out of balance, it affects the others. For example, insufficient yin can lead to excess yang, causing heat symptoms. Understanding these interactions helps TCM practitioners diagnose and treat the root causes of illness, not just the symptom. Another cornerstone of TCM is the five elements theory, which describes how wood, fire, earth, metal, and water interact in nature and the body. Each element corresponds to specific organs, emotions, and seasons. This theory helps practitioners understand the complex relationships within the body and how environmental factors influence health. By observing patterns and cycles, TCM offers personalized approaches to healing and prevention. TCM, organs are seen as functional systems rather than isolated structures. Each organ has its own Qi, Yin, and Yang qualities, and they work together to maintain health. For example, the liver stores blood and ensures the smooth flow of Qi, while the kidneys store essence and govern growth and reproduction. Understanding how organs interact helps practitioners address imbalances at their source. Diagnosis in TCM is holistic and individualized. Practitioners use observation, listening, questioning, and pulse taking to assess the state of Qi, Yin, and Yang. They look for patterns of imbalance rather than focusing solely on symptoms. This approach allows for personalized treatment plans that address the root causes of illness and promote long-term health. Herbal medicine is a key component of TCM. Formulas are carefully crafted to balance Qi, Yin, and Yang, and to address specific patterns of disharmony. Herbs are selected for their unique properties and combined to enhance their effects and reduce side effects. TCM herbal therapy is highly individualized, reflecting the complexity and wisdom of this ancient system. Acupuncture is one of the most well-known TCM therapies. By inserting fine needles into specific points along the body's meridians, practitioners aim to restore the smooth flow of Qi and balance Yin and Yang. Acupuncture is used to treat a wide range of conditions, from pain to stress, and is valued for its ability to harmonize the body's energy systems. Moxibustion is a warming therapy that involves burning the herb mugwort near specific acupuncture points. This technique is used to strengthen Yang, dispel cold, and promote circulation. Moxibustion is especially helpful for conditions related to cold or deficiency, and it's often combined with acupuncture for enhanced effects. Cupping therapy uses suction cups placed on the skin to stimulate blood flow and release stagnation. This method is believed to move Qi, clear toxins, and relieve pain. Cupping is often used for muscle tension, respiratory issues, and to support the immune system. Its visible marks are a sign of increased circulation and healing. Food is considered medicine in TCM. Dietary therapy involves choosing foods that support the balance of Qi, Yin, and Yang according to individual needs and the changing seasons. Warm, cooked foods may be recommended in winter, while cooling, hydrating foods are favored in summer. This approach emphasizes moderation, variety, and mindful eating. Movement is essential for maintaining the flow of Qi. Practices like Tai Chi and Qigong combine gentle movement, breath, and focus to harmonize body and mind. These exercises are accessible to people of all ages and can be adapted to individual abilities. Regular practice supports flexibility, balance, and emotional well-being. TCM recognizes the profound impact of emotions on health. Each organ is associated with specific emotions, and imbalances can manifest as physical or mental symptoms. For example, excessive worry may affect the spleen, while anger can disrupt the liver. By addressing emotional well-being, TCM promotes holistic healing and resilience. Living in harmony with the seasons is a key TCM principle. Each season has its own energy and influences the body in unique ways. Adjusting diet, activity, and rest according to the time of year helps maintain balance and prevent illness. This wisdom encourages us to listen to nature's rhythms and adapt our lifestyles accordingly. TCM places great emphasis on prevention. By maintaining the balance of qi, yin, and yang and making healthy lifestyle choices, we can prevent many illnesses before they arise. Regular self-care, mindful living, and early intervention are valued more than waiting for symptoms to appear. This proactive approach empowers individuals to take charge of their health. No two people are exactly alike, and TCM recognizes this by offering highly personalized treatments. Practitioners consider each person's constitution, environment, and lifestyle when creating a plan. This individualized approach ensures that therapies are tailored to support unique needs and promote optimal health. Today, TCM is increasingly integrated with modern medicine. Many hospitals and clinics offer acupuncture, herbal therapy, and other TCM treatments alongside conventional care. This integrative approach combines the strengths of both systems, offering more comprehensive options for patients and improving outcomes. TCM is used to address a wide range of health concerns, from chronic pain and digestive issues to stress and insomnia. By focusing on the root causes and restoring balance, TCM therapies can offer relief where other approaches may fall short. Many people turn to TCM for its gentle, holistic, and effective treatments. Safety is a priority in TCM practice. Qualified practitioners undergo extensive training and adhere to strict guidelines. Herbal medicines are carefully sourced and prepared, and treatments like acupuncture are performed with sterile single-use needles. Regulation ensures that patients receive safe and effective care. Modern research is shedding light on the mechanisms and benefits of TCM. Studies show that acupuncture can reduce pain, herbal formulas can support immunity, and movement practices improve quality of life. While more research is needed, the growing evidence base is helping to bridge traditional wisdom and modern science. TCM's influence extends far beyond China. Its principles and therapies are practiced worldwide, and its holistic approach resonates with people seeking natural and preventive health solutions. From acupuncture clinics in the West to herbal shops in major cities, TCM continues to inspire and heal across cultures. Modern life can be hectic and stressful, but TCM offers tools to restore balance. By integrating practices like mindful eating, regular movement, and stress management, we can counteract the effects of busy schedules and technology overload. TCM's timeless wisdom helps us reconnect with our bodies and nature. Self-care is at the heart of TCM. Simple practices like herbal teas, acupressure, and meditation can be incorporated into daily routines to support health. By tuning into our bodies and making conscious choices, we can nurture qi, balance yin and yang, and enhance our well-being. TCM is suitable for people of all ages, from children to the elderly. Treatments are adapted to each stage of life, supporting growth, development, and healthy aging. Whether for prevention or healing, TCM offers gentle and effective options for the whole family. Respect for tradition is a core value in TCM. The knowledge passed down through generations is honored and preserved, even as new discoveries are made. By blending ancient wisdom with modern understanding, TCM continues to evolve and serve humanity's health needs. Conclusion: traditional Chinese medicine offers a holistic path to health by emphasizing the balance of qi, yin, and yang. Its time-tested principles encourage us to live in harmony with ourselves and the world around us. Whether you're seeking prevention, healing, or simply a deeper understanding of well-being, TCM provides valuable insights and practical tools for a balanced life.